How deep can a woman take? What size satisfies her? What should be the length and width? And the most important question, with what size does a woman achieve orgasm? I am DR.Olivia. Many men worry a lot about these things and become stressed after hearing all kinds of myths and misinformation. Today, we will talk in a scientific and fact-based way about one simple question: what is the truly right size for a woman? Understanding a woman's body structure is important. First of all, we need to understand vaginal anatomy. I'll explain it in a simple way, as if we are looking at a diagram. The outer part is called the vulva. This area is pinkish or slightly reddish, with lips, labia, on both sides. Above this area is a very soft and highly sensitive organ called the clitoris. The clitoris is the most sensitive part of a woman's body. If it is stimulated properly with hands or massage, a woman experiences the same kind of pleasure that a man feels when his own organ is touched. This is called clitoral stimulation, and the truth is, this is the real center of female pleasure. What happens inside the vagina? Now, if we talk about the inside of the vaginal opening, it is not as deep or large as people commonly believe. The initial part of the vagina is more sensitive. As we go deeper, the sensation of pleasure decreases, and going too deep can actually cause pain or discomfort. After that comes the cervix, and then the uterus, womb, begins. Pressure or impact in this area does not cause pleasure, it causes pain. Where does real pleasure come from? Scientifically, it has been proven that a woman's main pleasure zone is the first 2.5 to 3 inches of the vagina. This area has greater blood flow and is the most sensitive. If this part is stimulated properly using fingers, tongue, or the right technique, a woman can experience deep pleasure. That's why it is completely true that even if a man's size is small, he can still satisfy a woman if the technique is correct. Bigger size is not always better. If someone has a size of 7 or 8 inches but only focuses on deep penetration while ignoring the sensitive front area, it brings no benefit. Instead, it can lead to pain, loss of pleasure for the woman, increased risk of infection. That's why it is always advised to focus on the upper wall, side walls, proper rotation, rather than trying to go all the way deep. Technique matters more than size. To please a woman, you can also use fingers, tongue, or toys. The male organ should also be active in the sensitive zone, not just deep inside, so men who think their size is small do not need to worry at all. Whether the size is small or big, satisfaction is possible with the right technique. What is considered a normal size? If we talk about the average size, a normal erect male organ is about 5 to 5.25 inches. If after erection the size is more than 4.5 inches and up to 6 inches, it is considered completely normal. There is no need to chase 10 or 12 inches. If you feel a problem, treatment is important. If you feel that your size has reduced compared to before, you have erection issues or problems related to the foreskin, then timely treatment is necessary. By Nature Mania. Lift Up Oil, only from Nature Mania's official website.